Don't be realistic. Be consistent. When you're talking and you're in conversations, if the conversation is not related to your growth, get away from it. Get away from it, right? Because that conversation is not realistic to your growth. I don't know, did I use it right? I don't know, don't matter. I know what I was saying. And this is what I mean, right? Like I hear people say to me all the time, like, yo, Pierre, you ain't use that right. And I'm not trying to be ignorant, like, yo, just talk any way you want, don't use words. I'm not telling you that. I'm telling you, have the confidence to make mistakes, have the confidence to be corrected. You see what I'm saying? Have the mental toughness to take the constructive criticism along with the criticism and pull something out of each one of them. So if I'm getting constructive criticism and I'm getting criticism, and if you don't know the difference between the two, right? Constructive criticism is when somebody is really saying something to you that's breaking you down, but they're breaking you down to rebuild you. Like having an abandoned house, right? If you got an abandoned house sitting on a lot and you break that house down to rebuild it, and it's something beautiful where somebody wants to live there and raise their family there. That's constructive criticism. It was constructive criticism to say this house is no good, right? It's gonna be way too much work. It's better to break it down all the way to the ground, build a new foundation, build it back up. It's gonna be beautiful. Constructive criticism, they gave you the blueprint. Criticism, people just coming at you and beating you up for everything you do, saying what you do ain't right, and something's wrong with this and something's wrong. And they just downing you all the time, but they're not giving you nothing to come up on. That's when it's your job to look at it and say, okay, yep, they said this. Let me look at this. Let me see what this is. And if I don't see a problem, let me talk to my circle, right, a little bit. And I don't got to come out and say, hey, somebody said this, right? That's some whining stuff. But I want you to look at it and see if this is an area that you can actually build in. And now the people that was criticizing what you was doing, see you just like grinding even harder, see you getting results that, you know, are not realistic in their eyes. And that's how you make that thing of be realistic just get out of your head.